To create an F template, I'm going to start with a right tail alpha of 0.05. I'll type 1, 2 here and drag to the right for numerator degrees of freedom. For the denominator, I'll type 1, 2 in B3 and B4 and drag down to as many as I want. I'm going to merge these cells. Rotate the text up, type denominator DF and center. For the critical values, I can use the legacy F inverse or the newer F.inverse.right tail. For probability, I'll select the alpha value, press F4 to lock it down, comma, select the numerator DF, comma, select the denominator DF. I'll place a $sign before 2 here to lock down numerator DFs in row 2, and a $sign before B to lock down denominator DFs in column B. Enter. Grab the fill handle and drag to the right. I'm going to right-click and decrease to 2 decimal places. Then double-click on the fill handle to copy it down. I'm going to press Ctrl-T on keyboard to format the table, select from the DFs all the way down, check my table has headers, and click OK. I can now change to the desired alpha level for the F table that I want. Thanks for watching.